Madaan, but now the name has been changed to Supreme Court Station. So if you're coming by metro, आप प्रगति मैदान उतर सकते हैं, and then there is a walking distance. Otherwise आप ऑटो या कोई भी पब्लिक व्हीकल भी ले सकते हैं. Timings are from 7 AM in the morning to 5 PM, and this is the ticket counter. Let's see what's the price. These are pandemic times, so while taking the ticket, you don't have to make a line at the ticket counter. For that, you have a separate arrangement, that is contactless ticket counter, through which you can just scan directly the QR code and you can pay the tickets. So the tickets are around like 20 rupees for entering the Purana Killa, then 20 rupees for the lake area, and 5 rupees if you wanted to visit the museum. So for one person, it is 45 rupees. So आप select कर सकते हैं आपको जहाँ पे भी जाना है. So basically, I am going to cover 3 things together. So I have paid 45 rupees, and for foreign nationals, it is 250 rupees. So let's enter. So Purana Killa is popularly known as Pandavon ka Killa. Of the ancient Indian city of Indraprastha, जहाँ पे पांडवों ने रूल किया था. This is the main entrance, which is called as Bara Darwaza, from where we have entered, and it was built by Humayun. As you can see, this is made up of, this entire structure is made up of red sandstone, marble, and tile work. Somewhere you can see tile work, tile patches are also there. And this is a big wall which is running along the Darwaza. On the entrance gate, you can find this red sandstone. It is made up of red sandstone. This is a kind of a map which is showing that Killa Pune Sher Mandal excavated remains. It is on this side. Then archaeological museum का भी हमने टिकट लिया है, तो ये इस साइड है, वहाँ पे भी जाना है. And then Talaki Darwaza is at this side. So first we'll move on to the Killa Pune mosque. This is the Killa Khun mosque, and it was built by Sher Shah. It is an excellent example of the pre-Mughal design, and also an early example of the extensive use of these pointed arch. Shire Mosque is made up of red and yellow sandstone and also black and white marble. So jharokas are the special features of this mosque. Now you can see jharokas are basically the enclosed openings where the royal people, they gather and do the kind of a prayer. Double-storied octagonal structure, Sher Mandal. It was used by Sher Shah as his pleasure resort, and after Sher Shah it was used by Humayun as his library. और ऐसा माना जाता है कि Humayun had a mortal fall from the stairs of this library. The remains of the hammam, which is called as bath house of the Mughals. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ उस ज़माने के टेराकोटा पाइप्स. तो ये टेराकोटा पाइप्स जो यूज़ होते थे उस ज़माने में, अब इसमें पूरी मिट्टी हो गई है और बहुत अच्छी वाइल्ड लाइफ भी आ गई है. There used to be a provision of hot and cold water and also steam room, you can see here. It's very scary although. सबसे खास बात पुरानी किले की ये है कि 6th century BC से लेकर अब तक जितनी भी डायनेस्टीज हुई है, सुंगा और कुशानाज, पोस्ट गुप्ता पीरियड, सबके रिमेन्स यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. This is a big Humayun Darwaza and I'm very excited. It is a huge Darwaza. I don't know इसका door कहाँ है, but it is made up of red and white sandstone. I'm very excited to enter in Darwaza. We are at the Great Museum of Purana Killa, जिसकी entry ticket 20 rupees extra थी. This is the beautiful museum और इसके बाहर ग्लास लगाया हुआ है. ये एंट्रेंस है म्यूजियम का. These are the pillar fragments. Beautiful. It is made up of stone. Pillar fragment again. जो stone के बने हुए हैं. कितने सुंदर लग रहे हैं stone से. क्या कलाकारी की गई है. पे जब मैं अपने कॉलेज टाइम में थी, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं था कि लेक का भी अलग से टिकट होता है। इनफैक्ट अंदर मैंने सोचा कभी लेक मिली ही नहीं, क्योंकि अंदर से रास्ता नहीं है। इसका रास्ता जब आप बाहर एग्जिट कर जाएंगे तब एक राइट साइड पे एक टर्न आएगा, जहाँ पे आपको अलग से पहले टिकट दिखानी पड़ेगी लेक की, एंड देन हियर इज़ द लेक। So guys, one of my Instagram buddy has made this beautiful sketch of mine. This is so beautiful that I have fallen in love with myself after looking at the fine work that she has put in making this sketch. So if you want to make a similar sketch for yourself, or you want to gift someone, then do follow her on Instagram. This is her Instagram account. And so that is all for today. So if you like my video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also tell me in the comment section which place you would like to visit next. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.